Number 1. WORX WG584. If you're in the market for a top-performing cordless leaf blower, the WORX WG584 is a standout choice. With a lightweight design and long-lasting battery, this blower makes yard work a breeze. You can easily adjust the power settings to tackle a variety of outdoor tasks, from clearing wet leaves to sweeping driveways. Harnessing the high-force power of the turbine fan technology, this leaf blower delivers strong airflows up to 430 CFM and 90 miles per hour, making leaf gathering a quick and effortless process. The best part? The Power Share batteries are compatible with over 140 WORX tools, giving you expandable power for all your outdoor projects. With its high-efficiency brushless motor, the WG584 boasts 50% longer runtime, 25% more power, and a 10-time longer motor life compared to standard models. You can easily switch between 3-speed controls and even activate turbo mode for those stubborn debris-clearing tasks. What I love most about the WG584 is its durability and effectiveness for a range of tasks. I've used it on a weekly basis for 6 months and it has never let me down. While it may have a slightly higher noise rating, it's surprisingly quiet given its power, and I didn't experience any issues during use. If there's one thing to keep in mind, it's to remember to charge the battery after each use. But with a quick 3-hour charge time, you'll always be ready for your next outdoor chore. Get your hands on the WORX WG584 and experience the power and convenience for yourself. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best leaf blowers and vacuums. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which leaf blower you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.